This is Keep It Funky. I'm going to do a 2-wall demo. Okay, give me a moment. Okay. So I am Jill Weiss. I am here at our dance studio, JK Shuffles. My husband Kevin is taping, is videoing for me. Okay, this is my new dance, Keep It Funky. I called it that for 2 reasons. The song is Keep It Groovin. The group is Extreme Music, and their album that this is on is Superfunk. So that's one of the reasons, Keep It Funky. And this is also the 10-year anniversary of my dance Uptown Funky, choreographed 10 years ago. And so it kind of had extra meaning, just keep it funky. This is an awesome floor split to Scott Blevins and Joe Thompson-Szymanski's high intermediate dance, Keep It Groovin, by the way. All right, so this is a beginner dance, easy beginner dance, pushing absolute beginner. It's 4 walls, 32 counts, no tags, no restarts. And your weight starts on your left. And you're starting with a K-step that ends with a scuff. So you're stepping diagonally forward on your right, touch your left next to your right with a clap, back diagonally on your left, touch and clap, back diagonally right, touch and clap, forward on your left. You're going to scuff your right foot. If you would like to clap there, you can. If not, it's optional. So a little scuff with your right foot. And that's your first 8 counts. So weight is on your left. So you're stepping diagonally forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, scuff, 8. Your weight is on your left. You're shuffling forward. 1 and 2. So that's a step forward on your right. Bring the ball of your left foot next to your right, and then forward on your right. You're rocking forward on your left, and then back onto your right, and then taking a big step back on your left and dragging your right back for 2 counts. You can drag with your heel, it's kind of fun. And you're doing a stomp up, but it's not a up. It's a down, but don't put your weight on your right foot, because the next thing you're going to do is bump onto your right hip. So that second set of 8, you just did your scuff. So you're shuffling forward. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back 5, drag 6, drag 7, stomp 8, and you're ready for hip bumps. Okay, so again, with the left, that's a shuffle, forward, rock, replace, back, drag, drag, stomp. From there, I put a hip bump pattern that follows the rhythm 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, because the music is playing that rhythm. However, you can be creative with hip bumps. That's always fun to do. But the way it's choreographed is bump onto your right hip, bump and bump. Your weight's still on your right. Bump and bump on your left. Bump and bump on your right. Bump and bump on your left. So the count on that is a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. But there's places in the music that you may want to go bump to the right, bump to the left, right, left, or any other hip bump pattern you can dream up, as long as you end up with your weight on your left. Okay, and then to end the dance, which you can continue these from the hip bumps into 2 little 1/8 pivots to make a quarter turn. Using your hips is always a good thing, especially in a song like this. So you're stepping forward on your right and turning an 1/8 of a turn, and then stepping forward on your right and turning another 1/8 of a turn. So you've made a quarter turn to the left. You should be at 9 o'clock. And then we're finishing with a jazz box with a step in front or across. Right in front, back on your left, squaring up, right to the side, and then left slightly in front of your right, which sets you up to start your K-step again. So that last set of 8, you just finished your hip bumps, your weight's on your left. So we're stepping 1, 2, 3, 4, jazz 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're ready to start again. So I'll go through the other 3 walls. Weights on left again, no tags or restarts. This is Keep It Funky to the song Keep It Groovin, which, by the way, if you look it up, it has an apostrophe at the end, not a G. Okay, so you're starting with your K-step. forward, touch, back, touch, forward, scuff, weights on left, shuffle, forward, rock, replace, back, drag, stomp, your weight is still on your left, bump to the right, because that's when your weight goes to your right, bump to the left, bump to the right, bump to the left, and while your hips are going, keep them going, step, turn an eighth, step, turn an eighth, and a jazz box with a cross, in front step, back step, right step, left. There we go, next wall, 7, 8, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, scuff, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back 5, drag 6, drag 7, stomp 8, bump 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, jazz 5, 6, 7, 8, and you should be at 3 o'clock, and you're ready to start again. 7, 8, that's forward, touch, back, touch, forward, scuff, shuffle, forward, rock, replace, back, drag, stomp, bump on the right, bump on the left, bump on the right, bump on the left, pivot, eighth, jazz box with a cross. The very last wall, I believe it's wall 13, is going to be at 9 o'clock. So you do your step, turn is as far as you get. And instead of stopping 1/4 turn, if you can do a 1/4.5, step, turn, it ends right there. It leaves off the last 4 counts, and you'll end at 12 o'clock. Always optional to end on the front. All right, so this is Keep It Funky. This is my dance, Jill Weiss, and I hope you love it. It's fun.